So before we get into my vlog, I just want to say thank you guys for even looking at this video. Really appreciate that. Secondly, when I walked to the beach, I didn't go on the beach. I basically walked close enough to the beach to be able to fly my drone over the waters and through a couple of nice spots on it, take some cool pictures. Secondly, like I said in my video, there were a lot of people going on the beach. I didn't want to do that because I don't know if we're allowed on the beach yet. It seemed the area where I was, people were allowed on the beach, so that was cool, but I didn't go on it. People were doing social distancing there, which was nice. You know, everyone had their mask on and stuff. Anyways, another thing I want to talk about is that my drone was only advertised for 35 minutes of flight time. Somehow, for some reason, I've gotten 35 minutes of flight time with it, which is weird because the Mavic Mini should only have 30 minutes of flight time, not 35 minutes. And in reality, it should have only been able to stay in the air for 25 minutes because you know how drones are. Nothing is advertised as it should be. It's crazy to me that I stayed in the air for so long. But anyways, besides that, I hope you guys are going to enjoy my little vlog. Remember, be nice. It's my first vlog. I don't really know what I'm doing. Hope you guys enjoy it.
And today we're going to be adventuring out to try taking some cool drone shots. We're going to be trying to hit up the beach. And yeah, we're going to take that walk and see how it goes. Speaking of walking, I wonder how you guys' day has been. You know, I hope it's good so far. Hopefully nothing too crazy has happened to you guys yet. Hopefully everyone's healthy where you are. There's so many like birds out today. You know, pretty much it's like 80 degrees out here, which has been the nicest weather I've had so far. You guys ever just had rain, hail, and all that stuff for like the past month? Just insane. And just like the past 2 days has been really nice, so I'm trying to get to the beach, get some nice drone shots to take. Hopefully it's good. I've been walking for a few minutes. I keep cutting in and out of my camera because I don't want to like record like 30 minutes of me walking, not saying anything. But I'm almost to the beach, so hopefully not a lot of people are there and I could take some cool drone shots. Down this long stretch of road, it kind of seems like a lot of people are going to the beach just to like hang out and I guess do stuff. So it might be a lot of people. We'll see what happens when we get there. Hopefully it's fun. In the comments below, tell me what you guys have been doing to keep active. Look how empty this is. This is insane to see. Like really, it's just a big empty field. I might have to take my drone around this area soon and just try to fly it. This might be a good spot. Nice empty field to go over, some trees. Might look good. We'll see later. Really, you know what really is bad? Is that I actually broke my tripod recently. It like fell and shattered. So I gotta look for another tripod. So probably setting up the drone you guys won't see, but it's fine. You'll see the cool footage of it. Almost to the beach. It's down that way. So hopefully we get there soon. Okay, so we're coming up on the beach now. So I'm just gonna put up a couple of drone footages that I did here and you guys will see that. Catch you guys later.
Looking for myself, I'm staring at my shadow. Am I gonna be safe in getting through tomorrow? When I throw me down, you could lead me to the side. You still raising me up. But when I look aside, she guides me with a sign and lie to me. It ain't over, it ain't over, it ain't over, it ain't over. could find it, I will find my way. Gotta keep looking. If it's not fair, gotta go again. Wish to get over it, cause when I look aside, she's always by my side. She guides me with a sign and lie to me. It ain't over, it ain't over, it ain't over, it ain't over. I'm not done, I just want me to find it. Cause I'm not done, I just want me to find it. I'm not done, I just want me to find it. Cause I'm not done, I just want me to find it. I'm not done, I just want me to find it. Cause I'm not done, I just want me to find it. I'm not done, I just want me to find it. Cause I'm not